Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your email and start doing email campaigns. So first we will cover setup of your email and connecting your domain to CRM messaging. First, you go to campaigns, go to email campaigns. Here you can see list of email campaigns. Now, before we create campaign, we have to add the sender. Sender would be your email address from which you'll be sending emails. Click on manage sender. Here some emails that you see, they are ready for using them for sending emails. Now for connecting new email, you click on manage domain. Here you click on add domain. Now add your domain name first. Then we will add the sender. Now I want to send an email from info@pluto-hrms.in. So before you add any domain, so make sure you have access to your DNS of this domain. So from wherever you have purchased the domain name like GoDaddy, Hostinger or anywhere third party, you should have access to your DNS. So click on add domain. So this gives you a record that you need to add in your DNS settings. So I have set up this domain on Cloudflare. So I will add this CNAME records. So copy the records, go to the domain setting, go to DNS, add your record. Make sure you remove the proxy settings. Just save this. Similarly, you do for rest of them. Now, after adding all the records, you have to go back. I've added all three CNM records and one DMARC record. Now here, after adding all of them, you can see status pending over here. Now you need to wait for a few minutes to see your status getting success. So if you have done it, you can wait up to 24 hours or wait a few 15 minutes to see the updated status. You can close it. You can see status pending. Now to get the updated status, you can just refresh also. After refreshing, go back to the email campaign, manage sender, manage domain. It is still pending. So you have to wait, or you can just click on verify. So it is still pending. So let's wait. Okay, now it is verified. So now we can use this domain for creating senders. Now click on add sender and you can add your sender info@. So sender label would be Pluto, let's say. Sure. So just add a label to your email and add a sender. I'm just adding info@pluto-hrms.in. Now add your email provider. Now we have successfully added the sender. Now we can go to see in create my email campaign. Go to email campaign, and when you click on manage senders, you will find your sender added successfully at the bottom. This one. Now we will use it to send email campaign. Go back to email campaign. Click on create campaign. HR event upcoming. I'm creating an email, a test email. Selecting recipients. So this is my event. I can choose a template or create my own template or create my own design within block editor. I'll just choose a sample one. After selecting your email campaign, you can modify it or you can just proceed to send. You can use personalization, a lot more things you can do. Now I'll just send it. You can send a test email to see how your email looks like, or you can schedule it for later. I will send it right away. Now your email campaign is sent from that email. It is sent to two recipients. Now we will check the emails. We can see the stats. Click on the email campaign. Two successful deliveries are there. You can see the recipients. With two people, it is delivered. It is delivered to me and some other person. Let us check the emails. So we can see the email is delivered successfully. It's in our email. So this is the email. So that's how you can send your emails and set up and send your emails. Have a good day.